Any language, how cool. Ready? Life is good.
Rami, are you excited to watch Shimmer?
I'm very excited. I'm a fan of TVF. I love Permanent Roommates. So I'm really looking forward to their stuff now.
What is your upcoming project in your pipeline?
I have 2 films coming up. I'm super excited about those, and I'm just looking forward to more great work, and also looking forward to work with good directors and good writers.
That's a comedy based itself. What do you feel the comedy with like?
I think comedy is very tough to to crack as a writer, as a performer, because with emotion certain things which will work, like heartbreaks work majorly, because everybody feels heartbroken on many levels, So comedy is very subjective, it's very personal. You don't know what's going to make somebody laugh. So somebody might just get offended because for them it might be the truth. And I personally like dry sense of humor and very poker faced, and I love satire. So, but but I love their humor. I think they're damn cool.
like कभी-कभी कॉमेडी करने में एक लेवल क्रॉस हो जाती है लाइक फैमिली के बट एक लेवल क्रॉस होता है उसमें फिर आप
Yeah, I think कोई भी टाइप का ह्यूमर किसी को हर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. So that's the reason I also believe self-depreciation is a great form of humor because आप खुद की मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, खुद के मजाक उड़ा रहे हो. I don't think किसी को भी offend करना चाहिए. That's not my person because anything which is distasteful is not acceptable and I don't prefer it. मैं किसी को किसी के कॉस्ट पे मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकती हूँ. I don't enjoy it.
7 दिसंबर को रेस का ट्रेलर है तो आर यू
हाँ.
एक्साइटेड टू
Yeah, I think it's my birthday gift from Shah Rukh because my birthday is on the 9th December. I love Shah Rukh Khan.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you guys. Bye.
Ready? So what for all you excited to see the humorous playoffs and
I am
what do you want to
very
say,
excited,
what
very
do you say,
excited.
TVF, what do you want to say to TVF?
I've been following TVF for about 5 years now. I'm a full 101 supporter. So everything they do, I try to support. They, मेरे हिसाब से मैं बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रही थी कि ऐसी चीज़ आए हमारी लाइफ में. So जब से मैं छोटी थी, अब टीवी में इतना अलाउंस नहीं मिलता जो हम करना चाहते हैं. TVF पे वो मिलता है जो टीवी पे नहीं मिलता है.
So what is your thought about the web series? What kind of web series you want to make and in the future?
If I was involved in a मेरा favorite वाला, I mean, I'm really excited by Humorously Yours. Permanent Roommates बहुत अच्छा गया. मेरा personal favorite है TVF Pitches because उसमें मेरा emotion मतलब उसमें हम रोए हंसे गुस्सा हुए कितना motivation देता है. अगर TVF Pitches देखो तो आपको बहुत motivation मिलता है. So I think मेरा favorite web series है TVF Pitches. कॉमेडी के बिना कुछ नहीं है. जैसे मैं कहती हूँ म्यूज़िक के बिना कुछ नहीं है. और हमारे पंजाबी में कहते हैं ना, खाओ पियो ऐश करो मित्रों. तो हंसना बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली विद ऑल द हार्ड थिंग्स वी आर फेसिंग विद द नोट्स प्रॉब्लम. अब नोटों की लाइनों की बात मैं नहीं करना चाहती, पर हमारे कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती रहती हैं. सो ये कॉमेडियंस है जो हमको हंसाते रहते हैं. आई थिंक TVF ने आज तक जितना भी किया है, इवन विद स्क्रीन पत्ती बॉयज़, उनका जो दूसरा चैनल है गर्ली आपा, उनका एक और चैनल है जो स्ट्रिक्टली फॉर द वुमेन फैशन कॉमेडी फ्रॉम वुमेन. और कितने नए नए आर्टिस्ट को चांस मिल रहा है. आप कितने नए नए एक्टर्स देख रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ TVF. सो आई एम रियली रियली एक्साइटेड एंड मेरी 100% सपोर्ट है. आई एम विद यू इन एनी वे. लव यू TVF.
या आप पूछोगे मुझसे?
So are you excited to see the humorous yours?
अब तो
Introducing the very amazing future stars. देख लो बॉलीवुड वालों,
Yeah!
इसको बोलते हैं सच्ची मजे वाली चीज़.
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई हैव ऑलरेडी सीन द फर्स्ट एपिसोड और वो बहुत सही है, तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड.
What do you say about TVF?
TVF तो मेरे तो इज़ लाइक माई फैमिली. तो या आई एम श्योर दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट शो. इसका दिल्ली में कल प्रीमियर हुआ था एंड दैट वाज वेरी नाइस. सो आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे भी रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा होगा.
Is there any upcoming project in your pipeline? Would you like to share with us?
With tripling, I mean sorry, with TVF.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's tripling, which is tripling का season 2 होगा. Then there will also be picture season 2. किसी को पता नहीं है वो कब होगा, but होगा. No, that's Amrita. But a lot of people confuse us. Yeah. Thank you.
how much you excited to see the web series on Emirates?
See, I love TVF. I love TVF. They've been friends for a long time, and I know the actors who've been working with TVF. I myself have worked with TVF, and they always manage to come out with really good content and really funny content, you know, and very fresh. बहुत ये बोलने में बहुत क्लीशे लगता है कि ओरिजिनल है, but actually they have original stuff to talk about, and now they, you know, with every series they're becoming bigger and better, and you can see the money coming in a very good way, and the writing is supreme, you know, and I think that's the most important thing. The writing has to work in anything, you know, be it a film, be it a series, and Humorously Yours is very interesting for me because it's actually the lives of comedians, the backstage of a comedian's life. You see these people who come and entertain you and make you laugh, but what actually happens behind this is very interesting as an idea, and I'm really excited to see what they do with it, and I'm quite certain that it'll be बहुत मजा आएगा यार. And Rasika, who's in it, is a very dear friend of mine, and I'm very excited to see her. Abhishek is in it, Vipul is in it, so Abhishek is also a really great friend. So मजेदार है, घर के लोग हैं.
Comedy web series which you like in the TVF, which you like?
I really liked Permanent Roommates 1. I love Mickey Bhaiya, and I also like Tripling a lot. Yeah, I actually like what Sameer and Bishopati, they all do, you know. It's even pictures, so they always come up with content that you don't expect. So I think that is very, very cool, and honestly in the web zone they're doing the most consistently good work, and I'm very, very happy for them. Yeah. Thank you. I don't even remember names. Tell me,
Pictures, man. Roommates.
Yeah,
Permanent roommates.
What do you want to say about the TVF?
TVF, I'm a fan. I'm always watching TVF on my whenever I do have the time. During shoots also. So, like I said, I'm a fan. Their content is brilliant. They're extremely creative, and I love it.
Which one is your favorite?
Pictures
Permanent Roommates.
and Permanent Roommates, both actually. And I really like Sumit Vyas as an actor.
Yeah, he's amazing, and Permanent Roommates I think will be my all-time favorite web show. It was something
And also
different.
those little videos that they keep doing.
Yeah.
I really enjoy their content.
how excited you are कि new web series आ रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and it's I mean it doesn't feel or look like a web series. I mean it looks the launch looks like a film launch. It looks like a full-fledged premiere. So I'm very, very happy and great, very proud of that. So
What is going on location shoot on your Jamai Raja?
Jamai Raja. It's doing fine, yeah. I see a lot of you all on the set very often. So some good content is coming everyone's way. A lot of twists and turns.
What is your co-star, Sara Afrin Khan?
Sara Arfin Khan.
How is she?
She's fabulous, yeah. We're great friends. We hit it off almost immediately.
So any future projects coming up?
We'll tell you everything about the future projects. Right now we'll concentrate on Harmonious. Yeah, and you know, one of my college people is here with me. He was with me in the Theatre Society, so it's very nice to see him on this platform. And we wish them good luck.
So what do you feel how much important is comedy for any film industry or any series?
It's very, very important. It's
very
the
important.
most important thing.
the most important.
Yeah, it's something. I think it's the most difficult thing to do is to make people laugh. And if you can do that, you can make my day. So I'm guessing it's one of the most important things.
Thank you so much. Thank you.